Welcome friends. Today we will learn how to draw and paint the 2D shapes. Are you ready? Let's start. First of all, take your pencil and draw a circle. Make a triangle with 3 sides. Draw an oval shape. Draw a rectangle. Draw a pentagon. Draw a square. Draw a rhombus. Draw a hexagon. Wow! You have learned about the shapes, 2D shapes. Now it's time for coloring. We will use red paint color for the circle. A circle has no sides, no corners. It is perfectly round. We will use yellow paint color for the triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 corners. The sides can be equal or not. We will use light green color for an oval. An oval is like a stretched circle. It has no corners. It has no straight sides. Now we will use sky blue color for the rectangle. Rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. We will use pink color for the pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. It has 5 corners. Make sure all the sides are straight. We will use violet color. Paint for the square. A square has 4 equal sides. It has 4 corners. All angles are right angles of the square. Now we will use orange paint color for the rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides. Opposite sides are parallel. It has 4 corners. Now we will use blue paint color for the hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. It has 6 corners. Amazing kids! You have learned about the 2D shapes. You have drawn and painted colorful 2D shapes. Keep practicing and have fun with shapes. See you next time for more fun.